Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Endangered Animals. So, last episode I talked about how the vacutia was the most endangered animal, but I was wrong. The vacutia was not the most endangered animal. Instead, it's the northern white rhino. For a long time, I always thought the northern white rhino was extinct. And well, all because it was considered extinct in 2018, technically, but it's not actually extinct. It's functionally extinct. And the species became functionally extinct after the last male named Sudan died. So, if you don't know what functionally extinct means, for a species to be considered functionally extinct, there either has to be a small population of females but no males, or a small population of females, or a small population of males but no females. And in this case, there are 2 females left and no males. The 2 females are named Najin and Fatu, mother and daughter. They both live in Kenya. At least I think they live in Kenya. Hopefully they are. They live in Kenya, and since there are no males, that means the species is functionally extinct by now. So you may think that there's nothing we can do to save the species now, but there is. Even though the females can't reproduce on their own, many science companies have tried to clone northern white rhinos. Actually, clone northern white rhinos embryo and take a southern white rhino to carry the babies. And this has shown successful with the dire wolf that was brought back to extinction when they found that almost fully preserved dire wolf body, and they were able to clone dire wolf embryos and had a dog carry the baby. So this is possible, and as of now, there are 29 northern white rhino embryos. So there is still hope to seeing these graceful giants anymore. And what's one thing that's crazy? The northern white rhino has lived for millions of years. It saw asteroids. It saw changes in land. It saw ice ages. It saw meteorites. Meteorites and asteroids are the same thing when not. Anyways. But it saw all of that, and it survived all of that. But it cannot survive humans. Not to mention, literally. What do people even want to do with a rhino horn? Like, if you have a horn, you're basically eating hair. Basically using hair for medicine. That makes no sense. People don't take horse hair. They take horse hair to make stings, but not medicine. That makes no sense. And also, horse hair won't kill the horse. Well, definitely. But cutting off a rhino horn won't mean the rhino is dead. So you can cut off the horn without killing the rhino. You have to use rhino horn for medicine. Also, what is this made out of? Peaches? No, this is not time to fool around. This is blue expansions. Anyway, so still we can... I'm just running out of ideas for this episode. I don't even know what to do, but I wish I could end the episode here. But we cannot. So, okay. Just to give you a sneak peek, next episode we're talking about another species of rhino, the Javan rhino. So be ready because it's gonna be a rhino adventure. There are a lot of rhino episodes because rhinos are pretty much the most endangered animal. And I don't even know why, but I'll just explain why. But anyways, guys, goodbye. And stay tuned for episode 4. Because I make these episodes really fast, with every episode being at least 5 to 6 minutes. That's very easy to make, and I don't even need editing. I just take screenshots and use that for the animal images. So these videos are pretty easy to make. I can upload a lot of episodes in the same day. I can't say the same for Bluey Spanish since the episodes are not as short, and I said too much. Anyways, guys, goodbye.